I hope you are finding value in this series. Now, you might have noticed that I don't always show the after or the root process of the plant. And the reason why is that if I had to wait for the 100 plants to propagate before I start the series, then I would not be starting the series now. But this allows me to circle back and show you progress, what worked, what did not work, what would I do differently, and what I want to recommend you to do. And so today we're going to circle back, all the way back to the beginning. And I'm going to show you my propagated Sansevieria, what I've learned about propagating the Sansevieria in water, and I'm going to take you on the journey to pot this little guy. I'm planting one of my propagated Sansevierias alongside a previously planted one, and I love seeing how these plants grow over time. And just remember, using the right soil mix is key. For this plant, I'm going to be using the Very Plant succulent mix, which drains really, really well and keeps the roots healthy. Now you can see my propagated Sansevieria has tiny roots forming, and this is perfect when you're planting directly in soil. Just remember, when you're propagating, you want the roots to be visible. It doesn't have to be too long, just enough to give the plant a good start. Here, I'm going to downsize my pot, and you want to make sure that your pot or your planter is very clean when you are planting, and I'm filling it with the succulent mix. Now, this mix is ideal for succulents and also Sansevierias because Sansevierias don't want to sit in wet soil. And I'll be placing both the propagated and the planted plant inside and then gently pressing the soil down to make sure that it's stable but not compact because I want the roots to easily grow and breathe. And then finally, when both plants are in, you just want to give the soil a little bit of water. You can, in this planter, I'm just going to kind of rinse it off because I have a drainage hole. And so I'm just going to discard the excess water, kind of give it a fresh drink of water. And there you have it. 2 beautiful Sansevierias ready to thrive in this little planter. I understand propagation can be daunting sometimes, and especially when you don't know the exact technique to use. And you're worried that you're going to butcher your plant and ultimately kill your plants. But remember, propagation is not perfection. It's learning the technique, feeling confident about where to cut, how to cut, and using different methods of propagation. And so far, I've been showing you the water propagation because I think that is the most accessible way to propagate. There are different ways. You can use different growing mediums, sphagnum moss. I've used leca as well in water. You can definitely propagate in soil. I love the fact that I can show you the most accessible way to propagate. And so I want to thank you for writing this propagation series with me. It's been absolutely amazing. And I hope again you are finding value in this. And if you are, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow for another day of propagation with Priscille.